Good morning students, this is Sanchita ma'am. Let us begin another property of water, that is not the water, that is the soil. Another properties of soil: absorption of water by soil. We know that soil is porous and has spaces in between its particles. Due to this, soil can absorb or retain water. All types of soils, however, do not absorb water to the same extent. To find out which soil absorbs more water and which soil absorbs less water, we need to find the percentage of water absorbed by soil. Therefore, we can say the clay soil absorbs most water. It has a very good water holding capacity due to its very small and tightly packed particles. Sandy soil does not absorb much water. It cannot hold much water as it has large particles with large spaces between them. The water absorbing capacity of loamy soil is average. Therefore, percentage of water absorbed by the soil is equal to weight of water absorbed by the soil divided by weight of the soil taken into 100. That is the percentage. Now, the numerical 2. That is how to calculate the percentage of water absorbed by the soil. So, what is the numerical? 50 ml of water was added dropwise to 50 gram of dry soil, kept on filter paper in a funnel. The amount of water collected in the graduated cylinder below was found to be 40 ml. So, what is the percentage of water absorbed by the soil? Now the solution. So first of all, we have to find out what? Weight of the soil taken. So how much soil we have taken here? That is the 50 gram. Then the volume of water poured in the funnel. Funnel is equal to how much water? That is 50 ml. Next, the volume of water collected in the cylinder, that is 40 ml. Therefore, volume of the water absorbed by the soil is equal to 50 ml minus 40 ml equal to 10 ml. Now we have to find out the percentage of water absorbed by the soil. So the percentage of water absorbed by the soil is equal to what we can write? Weight of water absorbed by the soil divided by weight of the soil taken into 100, and here 20%. So, what is the values we have to write? The weight of water absorbed by the soil, that is the 10 gram, because we can write here 1 ml is equal to 1 gram. Therefore, 10 ml is equal to 10 gram we can write. And then the weight of the soil taken, that is the 50 gram into 100%. 10 ones are 10 and 10 fives are 50. 5 20s are 100. So what we can write? Here it is the 20%. So the percentage of water absorbed by the soil is 20%. Hope you all have understood it. Thank you.